Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook. You can't make this change at the moment. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make any kind of change in your Facebook profile, so you see an error that you're unable to or you can't make this change at the moment. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a soundless network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just simply try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to retry or you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open App Store here, go for search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that your Facebook app is up to the latest non-pending update for your Facebook app. If you find just try to update your apps after updating, your issue will be fixed. Or you can also try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. In order to do that, you have to quickly press and its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and its volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Facebook app here, and you just have to try to offload your apps if there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app. It will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're trying to change your phone number into your Facebook profile, so sometime it might be that you're trying to change or delete your Facebook phone number. So very first you have to try to add a different phone number into your Facebook profile. Then you can easily remove your first one. So in this way, you can easily fix your Facebook issue. You can't make the change at the moment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.